Let us start talking about new products from Planet to the IP surveillance. What do you have to offer to market?
For the IP surveillance products, Planet offers a wide and complete product range. And in this year, during the Computex, we especially offer some new solution like the 220p solutions here. Because we now have a high-end product, but we are going to launch a more entry-level solution to complete the offer we have. So you can see the 720p solution we have. This one and this one. Those are ultra mini solution here. Okay, and also this two product is also quite new for us. It's a 5 mega fisheye products. Also, we have a new series of 6 FPS solutions, which is more advanced and very attractive in the market. Most of the camera here, the solution here you can see is the outdoor solution, especially for that one. Another one is we call it industrial grade because the working temperature could be up to minus 40 to 75 degrees C. That's specially designed for more harsh environment, like in the factory or in the public transportation area. Yeah, and also that one is a 35-meter IR supported, and also this one is also an outdoor application models, and that two ones you can see is a PTZ solutions, and that is the new one we have is also 60 frames per second supported for the PTZ.
From the one side we have a camera, on the other side we have a video recorder. Can you tell us something about your solution?
Yes, from the NVR product we have, we offer from 4 channel, 6 channels, 32 channels. And this product is our new series that especially they support VGA and HDMI dual roll code display. So you can see here we have 2 monitors. One is connected with the VGA port, one connected with the HDMI port. Okay, and all of our new NVR supported to 5 megapixel solutions. And we also offer the free central management software, allow customer to manage the IP camera up to 256 IP cameras. Also, you can buy optional for another software systems to manage up to 1,024 IP camera.
So it looks like highly integrated system.
Yeah. Yes. So it's very ideal solution, especially for some project base.
And what about software for controlling such devices?
The software is bundled built into the hardware systems. So you can have something like the email interface in web, and also you can have the event notice. Recording is most best one, and also have more like the event management, object tracing, something like this.
I see you have external clients for mobile phones.
Yes, it's also APP supported. Like you can see the image everywhere, just using your mobile device, like the iPhone, Tajpej, or any Android system is also supported.
We'll introduce the special product that is combined with the solar power and the power over Ethernet, the two technology together. Why we need this product? Because some of the IP camera, they may be installed in the desert, in the high mountain. That means there's no power. So the customer installer, they have to solve the power issue. So we provide this solar power PoE switch to provide our customer. You can get the power from the solar panel, save the power in the battery, then inject the power from the PoE, solar power PoE switch to drive your Wi-Fi access point or IP cameras. So this technology, we can let the IP camera and the access point, they can be installed individual in the high mountain. That means you don't need to worry about the power. This is why we have integrated two technologies together. This is a new product that we combine also the power over Ethernet technology and the coaxial. I think the customer, they know that the IP camera, if you use the IP camera with UTP cable, with PoE technology, you got only 100 meters. But that is not enough for some of the installation. They need more than 100 meters. They need maybe 200 meters, 400 meters. And sometimes they have the analog camera already. So this power over PoE over coaxial is the technology that we can reuse the coaxial cable. This is a coaxial cable. Maybe there's a customer, they have the coaxial cable already. So we reuse the coaxial cable. Customer, they can install the analog camera to IP camera. Co-work with our PoE over coaxial products, we can transmit the data and the power through the coaxial cable. So, for example, this is the IP camera with the PoE support. I can get the power directly from this front end box through the coaxial cable, transmit the video and the power. Then the transmit side connect to another PoE switch or power adapter. So the advantage is you can get longer distance, save your human resource to reinstallation, recabling. Just reuse the existing cable but transmit power and data at the same time. This stand shows our managed PoE products. I think we have different product lines than other competitors, than other manufacturers, is that we know what customer want. Yes, other vendors, they have the PoE switch, but our PoE switch, we have advanced features, not just inject power, disable power. We have a CPU and intelligent function inside. How to say that? For example, we have a function to co-work with the IP camera at access point. We call it the PD alive check. So our PoE switch not just inject the power to the IP camera. We also detect if your IP camera is alive or not. That means, did you respond? Did you get response from the IP camera? For example, if I detect the IP camera does not respond anymore, then I can use my PoE to shut down and turn the power back. Sometimes shut down the camera and get the power to the camera back is make the camera make the camera worse again. So we can by purpose to detect each camera is alive or not. Other way, we also have function that the PoE power recycling. Power recycling is that, okay, I didn't detect you are alive or not, but sometimes we can define a specified time. For example, every Tuesday, 1 a.m. o'clock, we reboot the camera. Just like your smartphone, your iPad, sometimes you think, okay, it's lagged. You just shut down the power and turn it back, then it's work fine. Camera is the same, access point is the same. Sometimes you just need to release their brakes, then they can work better. So we can schedule define. You don't need to assign engineer to say, hey, somebody, please plug out the cable and plug in again. No, right now we just automatically, everything follows the schedule. We can do it by plan. And each port we can have different plan. We say the PoE switch is that we inject the power to the access point, to the VoIP phone, to the IP camera. For IP camera, for sure, you need to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But how about the VoIP phone and the access point? Try to image that. Yeah, VoIP phone, you save the cost for the billing of the communication. But when everybody leaves the office, your VoIP phone is still working, it's still power on. Then how about how to charge the billing of the electronic? Then that increase the cost. So we have the PoE schedule that we can specify the VoIP phone and access point. Once everybody leaves the office, we shut down the power. Next morning, the switch will auto roll back the power to the access point and the VoIP phone. So you don't need to worry that you will increase the billing of the electronic, because we are not just inject power, but we also control power, save power. That is important because in Europe, the power is inquiries more and increase more and more. Yes, but the billing is more expensive than before. So that's why we have this not inject power but also save the power. That's why we need this intelligent PoE switch. We'll show you the Ultra PoE. The Ultra PoE is we define that 6 watt power over Ethernet technology. Currently, the standard support the IEEE 802.380 PoE standard support up to 30 watt. But why we need 60 watt? Because there's more and more network application. They need the Ethernet, they need the power, but they may be installed in somewhere that is not to have the power outlet. So such a speed-on, you can under 30 watt. But some of the devices like the PAS system, sorry, it didn't show here. Digital synergy, PAS systems, and some booting system, even the computers. We can use the Ultra PoE 6 watt to drive such kind of application. So that means the PoE is not only limited to IP camera, access point, VIP phone, and security gate. Also support to sync line, PAS, digital signage, more wide range for PoE applications.